Paurani, good morning. Good morning, Divya. Good morning, Sadhana. Inform them to join as fast as possible. Good morning, Ma. Good morning, Kavya. Good morning, Jotam. Send the necessary details to I know, to ma'am because we need an update of how many students, which and all tests are writing. So that is very important. And we are removing those students who are not regular in classes. So are you ready to start the class, please? Okay. Now listen very nicely. We are starting environment chapter as promised. So what is the meaning of environment and what is exactly this chapter is about? This chapter is about nature. This chapter is exactly totally connected to what and all ecosystem is there, ecology is there, and how the ecosystem is interactive with the living creatures. Okay, so this chapter is more about that. So now, first what we are going to do is let's start the chapter with total information. So, what is environment? First, do one thing, respective group inform to join soon. Got it? So, now look here. So, environment is everything that surrounds an organism and influences its life, like physical, biological world in which our what you call in which one lives. So, 100% the place where you are exactly interacting with, the place where you are surrounding, the organism is getting influenced by it. That is everything is considered as environment. So, it is everything that surrounds an organism. It is influencing the organism. Why it is influencing the organism? Water, air, soil, whatever, wherever you are, it is exactly going to impact. So that impact is exactly going to change your lifestyle. Understood? So just understand, too much greenery will be there. Too much everything will be there. So greenery and the section of food and everything will be there means definitely there will be no problem surrounding you. So 100% environment is going to impact you. I am going to ask one question to all of you. Nearly 5, 7 people asked me today you are coming or not in school. Today you are coming or not school. What is so special here? Should I come or not come? So now environment is everything. So living organisms constitute environment. Our planets, our plants, animals, human being and microorganisms. So the things which is exactly constituting the environment are plants, animals, human beings and microorganisms. Plant, animal, human beings and microorganism. Now physical surroundings. Now physical surroundings make up the environment are land, water, bodies and air. So these are exactly the physical things. The physical things, good morning Sanjay. The physical things that is surrounding is physical thing that is surrounding is land, water, bodies and air. Okay. Ashwita, good morning. So land, water, bodies and air, that is exactly the something which is surrounding. Now what we are going to talk about meteorological factors or climate factors forms a part of our environment like sunlight, temperature, rainfall and humidity. So these things are totally different and that is definitely going to constitute and be a part of your surrounding. See what you are going to study today evening, you are going to write test related to that. So those people who are not joining the session, 100% they will have problem. Okay, so ecosystem, what is the meaning of ecosystem? First, what we have studied, the things that is surrounding us becomes our environment. the place where we are living, the things what we are involved with, that is exactly considered as our environment. Next important part what we have studied is the our environment, the living creatures will be the part which is coming as the most important crucial sections, and there only when somebody will be asking you that there only what and all things are there which is constituting you. So that's the major section that must be understood. The second part is physical surrounding. Physical surrounding is land, water bodies, and air. That is considered as physical surrounding. Land, water bodies, and air is considered as, Tarun, good morning. They are exactly considered as physical surrounding. What they are considered as physical surrounding. Yes, interaction between the living and non-living things. Exactly, it is called as ecosystem. Ecosystem is a different thing. We will be talking about ecosystem. Get ready for 5 questions. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Check your live button. Get ready for 5 questions, please. Good morning, ma'am. Get ready for 5 questions, please. Okay. What is the meaning of humidity? What is the meaning of humidity? And your time starts now. Only in very short inform. Humidity means moist climate. First answer I received. Kavya has given the answer. It's taking too much time. So only I said all of you check your live or not. Come on, we can't waste that much time. What is the meaning of humidity? Moist present in atmosphere. The amount of moisture present in air. Water vapor in air. Moisture content present in atmosphere. Anyone else? See, this is much people only have answered. The amount of water vapor suspended in the air particles is suspended with air particles, the amount of moisture that is present in the atmosphere, that is exactly called as humidity. Yes, that is considered as humidity. Very good. That is considered as humidity. That's first part. That is the water droplets that is present in the atmosphere is considered as humidity. Yes, so humidity is measure of water vapor in the air. Absolutely correct. So this is exactly considered as humidity. The second part of the question, please. The second part of the question is, please pay attention nicely and listen to it. And the moment I'm asking the question, who top three answer I'm going to consider. So you need to answer as part of understood. Which physical factor influences life the most? And your time starts now. Which physical factor influences life the most? Which physical factor influences life the most? Which physical factor influences life the most? Kavya has given surrounding. Mahalakshmi air. Jotam air. Come on, come on, come on, time is going. Ecosystem Mahalakshmi is giving. Sanjay ecosystem Mahalakshmi air. And the correct answer is top three answers I have read. The correct answer is those people who are not checking their life or not. That's not good. The correct answer is light, water. The most important physical factor that is influencing the human life is air. Understood? Air, water, land. These are the three important physical factors. The fourth question for you is, which is the smallest ecosystem? Come, 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 Vishwa. Which is the smallest ecosystem? Which is the smallest ecosystem? Come, beta, come fast, you are late. Which is the smallest ecosystem, children? What is the smallest ecosystem? See, so that only I am telling you. Forest is the smallest ecosystem. Terrarium is the smallest ecosystem. Which is the smallest ecosystem, sir? Which is the smallest ecosystem? Forest is the smallest ecosystem. Which can be the smallest ecosystem? Artificial ecosystems can be smallest ecosystem, very good. But artificial, see, your hand can be smallest ecosystem. Understood? Because here many microbial organisms can live. Understood? So since they will not be specifying which the micro ecosystems, yes, very good. The one ecosystem, yes, the one ecosystem where very small number of space is there and organisms will be existing will be considered as the smallest ecosystems. You need to understand that where ecosystems will be, the ecosystem is what? The place where the organisms lives, understood, and interact with the surrounding, So ecosystem is a space where organisms are living, and another important point is the organisms are interacting with the other organisms present in the surrounding. Understood? So that is exactly considered as what? Ecosystem. That is considered as ecosystem. So you need to be very clear about the content. Now are we ready for the ecosystem? Children, 5 questions and 5 rules. So definitely 5 questions in every 5 minutes I'm going to ask from all of you. Your speed should be very fast. Thank you for liking the class, but the speed should be very fast. Understood? The first thing, the term ecosystem was coined by Tansley. No down. Who has coined the word ecosystem? Tansley is the person who has, thank you so much. Tansley is the person who has coined the word ecosystem. Tansley. According to him, ecosystem is symbol of structure and function of nature. Symbol of structure, and function of nature. Thank you so much. Symbol of structure and function. Yes, translate. Remember the word. Next part. The term ecology was coined by writer. Reiter. Writer has exactly writer. Write on which were small things also we will not leave. So, who has coined the word ecology? Ecology is writer. Reiter. Writer. Understood? I will ask the question very fast. Get ready. From Trikalkundram, 2 students are there. You are writing that you are present in the class, but only 2 people are present today, and that is first Sanjay and second is Ilabarshan. Rest of the children today they will get nice punch. So please inform them to be in the class as fast as possible. So what is the first word we have learned? Translate is the person who has the word ecosystem. The second one, writer. The term ecology was coined by writer. The term ecology was coined by writer. Today again Kartika absent, Jasmita, Anu, 3 people. Understood? So now look here. Next word, the term ecology was first described by Haeckel. He is a very well-known person. Yes. The thing here is the term ecology was first of all described by Haeckel. The term ecology was first of all described by Haeckel. Who has described the term ecology? It was first described by Haeckel. Thank you for liking the class. So this is exactly some very important thing. So the first thing what we have learned, the thing first what we have learned is ecosystem. So when somebody will be exactly talking about ecosystem, the ecosystem is interaction of a living creature with the surrounding and the other species. No matter how much small that space can be, it is considered as ecosystem. And the word ecosystem was first coined by Tansley. After that, ecology. The term ecology was, hi Praveen, which class? 10th class, na? Very good. So here the term ecology was first described by Hegel. Now, father of Indian ecology is Ramdev Mishra. Note down, father of Indian ecology, which we must know about our Indian system. The person who has described ecology in India is exactly Ramdev Mishra. Who is that person? Ramdev Mishra. Note down, these are some of the most important things. So Ramdev Mishra is the person who has described about ecology. Okay, so who has described about ecology? So now look at the term ecosystem was coined by Tansley. Who has coined the word ecosystem? Tansley. Okay, so now Ramdev Mishra, you need to remember this because after a few seconds I'm going to ask the question. The screen will be out and definitely I will be asking the question. Understood? So get ready for it. Gopika, good morning, beta. But we are in the first day of revision, so we will not be listening anything. We will only be seeing work. So you people, every day your attendance, we are it is very very important for us, and we are watching you very very closely hereafter. So 10th, 12th, 11th, we are watching very very closely. Whatever effort you will be putting, we are watching you and we are going to remove you the moment we will be finding you are not attentive in the class. So now listen, the most important thing, ecology, ecosystem, two things we have understood. So now ecology, interaction part is the most important thing. So now look at the boundaries of ecosystem are in this indistinct and have an overlapping character with each other. Why they have exactly told that it is having overlapping character. Overlapping in the sense means कि it can be merging with that. Like one, we cannot be giving a guarantee like the dogs where the place the dogs are living, other microorganisms are not living. Is it true? No. So where dogs are living, other microorganisms are also living. Correct, na? So where dogs are living, ants are also living. Other animals are also there. Another important point that the plants are also living. Correct, na? Other human beings are also interacting with the nature. Understood? In jungle, lots of different species are living together. So what does that is called as overlapping. Overlapping character. We cannot distinct. We cannot differentiate. Understood? So Anupuram cannot be differentiated only for living animals. Understood or not? Only for Anupuram, like this type of specific plant is there. How can it be possible? Banana trees there, mango trees are, all different type of trees are there, all different type of creatures are there, all different type of animals are all different types of animals are surviving in the surrounding areas. Understood or not? So that is what you have to share your space with others. You have to share your space with others. So one creature cannot claim the space. Got it? So that's what is called as overlapping. It is indistinct. It is indistinct. So indistinct means we cannot be able to say that ki this is there, that is there. It is exactly indistinct. Now the total group of living things and environment of factor present in a particular place is called ecosystem. So whatever organisms are living in a space and they are interactive with each other makes ecosystem. What it is making? Ecosystem. Living together, after living together, interacting with each other is a major part of ecosystem. Living together, interacting with each other is a major part of ecosystem. Is a major part of ecosystem. I hope you might have understood. It is a major part of ecosystem. Living together and interacting with the nature is Joshua. Good morning. That's a nice decision, Joshua. So three people from Trikalkundram till now have responded. So it is exactly called as ecosystem. Sneha must respond. It means any structure and fundament, functional unit of environment that can be identified and studied is called as ecosystem. So ecosystem can be identified and ecosystem can be studied also. Ecosystem can be identified and ecosystem can be studied. We cannot say that because interaction with the living creature is only ecosystem. We can identify the ecosystem also. So one question I have asked from all of you, that question was which is the smallest ecosystem? I said the smallest ecosystem can be on hand to the full earth itself can be an ecosystem for all the different species living on it. I hope everybody might have understood this one. The next important part is, so now look, the ecosystem may be natural or artificial. So permanent or temporary. Large ecosystem is called biome and exactly called as desert and forest. Remember this part. The large ecosystem is considered as biome. The large ecosystem is called as biome, biome. The large ecosystem is considered as biome, biome. The large ecosystem is considered as biome. I hope you might have understood this one. The large ecosystem is considered as what, beta? Biome. All the children, very good, super. So the large ecosystem is considered as biome. Very nice. The large ecosystem is considered as what? Biome. Next, like desert, forest, these areas are covering a major part of Earth. So they are exactly called as what? Biome, where multiple type of different type of species are living and they are interactive with the nature. Understood? When a species will be existing in a space, they will not only be present in a space, they will interact with the place. They will interact with the place. Understood? So they are considered as what? They are considered as biome. What we are calling it as, beta? Biome. Now let's go for the next one. That is homeostasis. Homeostasis is a very important word. What is the meaning of homeostasis? Homeostasis. Homeostasis means self-maintainable characteristic is found in ecosystem, and that is called as homeostasis. It means an ecosystem maintain the balance between the different trophic level. That is exactly called as homeostasis. Thank you for liking the class. Bless you all. This is exactly called as homeostasis. What it is the meaning, beta? The meaning is called as homeostasis. Self-maintainable characteristic. Self-maintainable characteristics means where everything maintains on its own. Where everything maintain on its own. You don't have to put effort to maintain it. That is called as homeostasis. Homeostasis. That is exactly considered as what, beta? Homeostasis. Understood? Homeostasis. Understood? Homeostasis. Yes, self-maintainable. You don't have to go there and maintain anything. It will. So, like lion will be eating deers, so deer number will be very good. So, deer number will be managed. Deers will be eating grass, so grass will be maintained. Understand or not? So that means where one feed on other, so that all the levels will be exactly totally where all the levels will be totally managed. See what will happen. Yes, the food chain is not homeostasis. Understood? Stasis. Homeostasis means given. Homeostasis means given all the groups are consumer producer. That's the more specific word. Understood? The consumer and the producer interactions to maintain everything is considered as homeostasis. Understood? So that's the very good class. Okay, are you all ready for my questions? Ready? All ready for my questions? Self-maintainable. Self-maintainable is one word. Very good. So trophic level control the other trophic level in an ecosystem. That is called as, check this one out. Each trophic level control the other trophic level in the ecosystem. That is called as cybernetics. Cybernetics. Note down. Netics. This is considered as cybernetics. A science of self-control in an ecosystem is called as cybernetics. Cybernetics. What it is called as? Cybernetics. Remember the word. Cybernetics. Yes, cybernetics, and within 3 minutes, 5 questions are coming. The top 3 person can only answer the question. So get ready, everyone. Are you all ready? Online children, offline children. So let's see who is giving the answer online and who is giving the answer offline. Are you ready? So Maya is absent. Ashish is absent. Satya is absent. Okay. Those people who are absent today, they are seriously going to take actions because 5 days, 5 shots. Okay. My first question is, who is considered as the father of ecology from India? Maya is present. Okay, very good. One, two, Ramlal. Hey, Mahadev. Ramdev Mishra, Tarun is answer correct. Mishra, Gopika, okay. Ramdev Mishra, okay. Super, 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 super. Second question coming to you. Are you ready? The moment Ramlal Mishra, here, very nicely listen. The question is, come, you're again late. 30 minutes late, Paityam. Who coined the word ecology? And the time starts now. Who coined the word? First person correct here is. Very good. Second person. Who coined the word ecology? Hai? Tansley. Not translate. The correct word Maya is first one, second is Ilaversion, third is Sophia, and the time stops. No, third is not Sophia. The correct answer is writer, and writer is given by Kavya. Okay, so top three people who has given the correct answer is writer. What is the correct answer? Writer. Here, offline children has given the answer. What is the word? Writer. What is the word? Writer. Okay, so now my third question is. My third question is, ready? Is homeostasis homeostasis self-manageable? Offline children are more attentive. Okay. That's three. That is Kavya, Maya, and Gopika. Stop. So the correct answer is yes. My fourth question is, what is cybernetics? What is cybernetics? What is cybernetics? What is cybernetics? Cybernetics. What is cybernetics? The correct answer. What is cybernetics? Because here I got the answer. Very good. This time who has given the first answer is, come on, let's check this one out. Sanjay has given the first answer. Second person who has given is Jasmita. Third is Kavya. No, third is not Kavya, Sharmila. Joseph, Jotham, where are you? So that is called as cybernetics. Absolute. That is called as cybernetics. Absolutely. A science of self-control in an ecosystem. Very good. But here, when the leak will be there, you need to be answering very fast. Okay, because this is recorded version, so your names will be recorded. So when I'm saying you're present, means my people will watch the video and they will come to know you people are present. Understood or not? So now look here. Are you all ready for the next section? 5 questions over. Well done. Super. Now, if somebody will be asking you how many types of ecosystem are there, then how you are going to interact with it. So, if somebody will be asking you how many types of ecosystems are there, then what you are going to interact with. You will be saying one fan switch off, sound will be too much. So, how many types will be there? So, what is the answer? The two types of ecosystems are there. What are the two types of ecosystem? That's very good. That is called as natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Very good. So natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. And the most important thing is another Vishwa is missing from the class. This Vishwa reached the class first in time. Another Vishwa is missing from the class. Everything. Korani is not answering. These things we are very much closely watching. Are you understanding? So a natural ecosystem are terrestrial as well as what you call aquatic. So whenever somebody will be talking about ecosystem, the ecosystem can be terrestrial. Terrestrial means living on land and water. Aquatic means water. Aquatic means water. Kavya, yes, Krish. That's now you are very good. You are safe. Understood? Because we are watching everyone very closely. Yes, Vishwa. So that's what terrestrial and aquatic. The common example of land ecosystem are forest, grassland, desert. So definitely the common examples of land ecosystem is forest, grassland, and desert. You need to understand forest, grassland, and desert constitute the major part of the ecosystem. Forest, grassland, and desert. Understood? Tropical forest, different type of forests are there. They are exactly constituting. Very good. The common example of aquatic is pond, lake, river, ocean. So glass of water also if kept for a long time will become an ecosystem, because there also small microbial organisms can grow. So where growth of living creatures are there and they can interact with the other living creatures, that will be considered as what? Ecosystem. That can be considered as what? Ecosystem. Thank you for liking the class and thank you for answering the question to this fast speed. Children, are you all ready? So this is exactly the natural ecosystem is further divided into two types. The natural ecosystem is further divided into two types: fresh water, lentic, lotic, and marine. Fresh water, fresh water, further divided. So that means what? Fresh water means what? It may be lentic and lotic. What is the meaning of lentic and what is the meaning of lotic? Lentic means standing water. Lentic means standing water. Note down. These 5 questions will asking means I will ask what is lentic, what is lotic. Lentic means standing water. Lotic means running water. And Sarvana, you are not answering. I'm watching. So lentic is standing water, lotic is running water. Lentic and lotic, very important. Lentic and lotic. So lentic, standing water, pond, pool, ditch. So everywhere, even in roadside now, beta, that small pits are there now, where there is no interaction with the living creatures, where it is stagnant, it will be called as what? Lentic. It is called as lentic. So where a small place will be there. Satya, good morning. You are very late. Very late. Why you people are trying to create trouble for yourself? I am not understanding. This is not that coaching where you are exactly going to be entertaining by yourself. Here definitely will be designed by me only. Lentic and lotic. Lentic and lotic. Lentic and lentic is stagnant. Lotic is running. River is very good. River is running and that is lotic. Absolutely. So lentic and lotic. So definitely lotic is river, stream and spring ecosystem. River, spring and yes, absolutely. Now, marine means ocean and sea. Why marine word is different from lentic and lotic? Who can answer me? First question. Marine word is exactly why marine word is different. Ocean and sea. The first answer I have received and it is given by Kavya. Large ecosystem. No. Second answer is given by Gopika. Third is Sanjay. The correct answer is given by online children. Ocean and sea water is saline, salt water. The ocean and river water is saline, that is salt water. Yes, Arna. The ocean and river water is saline. That is exactly what beta salt water. So only we have differentiated them. Children, are you all present now? Are you all present? Ready? So lentic, lotic understood, marine you understood, aquatic ecosystem, natural ecosystem is water type ecosystem when we are talking about water type ecosystem. Are you all ready? So now human made or artificial ecosystem. See, look here, fresh water, there are two further type of aquatic ecosystem. One is called as fresh water. So fresh water and second one is marine. Fresh water and marine. So only I told fresh water is one type, marine is another type. In fresh water also two types are there, lentic and lotic. Fresh water how many types are there? Lentic and lotic. And marine water is one. And that is exactly called as what type of water, beta? Saline water. What type of water? Saline water. So saline water is that type of water in which large amount of salt and minerals are there. Don't use only the word salt. Salt and minerals are there. Understood? So different type of salts are also acting as a mineral. Understood? So different type of salts are acting as mineral. I hope everybody might have understood. Exam for science exam CBSE, only 1 day gap for Tamil students and 2 days, 3 days gap for Hindi student. This time getting 80 out of 80 is possible. We will do work from the beginning. Science we are going to finish it to our perfect strength. Understood? One question we will be doing, extra question we will be doing. We won't mind reading extra. Got it? We won't mind. We are that group which won't mind reading extra, because in studies nothing is called as extra. It is always knowledge. Are you understanding? Right now, all people, are you all ready? My next question I'm going to ask from a specific person. Understood. So natural and artificial ecosystem. Natural and good morning, Himanshu. Natural and artificial ecosystem. So the artificial ecosystem are made by human being. Who has made the artificial ecosystem? Human being. Very good. Now the common example of artificial ecosystem are crop, garden, park, aquarium. So these things are those ecosystem which is not made by nature. It is made by human. It is not made by nature. Who has made it? Human has made it. Who has made it? Humans has made it. So what we are calling it as artificial ecosystem. So what name we have called it? Artificial ecosystem. Aquarium is also an artificial ecosystem. Very good. One project one boy has made, in that he has germinated many seeds. Okay. And after that, accidentally, all the seeds got merged together. Understood? All the seeds got merged together, and before taking it into this place where he can differentiate the time span of germination of seeds, the seeds got mixed and it kept in the soil. In due course of time, 4 or 5 new type of plant originated. Is it an ecosystem? Is it an ecosystem? Is it an ecosystem? Yes. The correct answer is yes. Because that region where it fell down, new plant originated. Is it a man-made ecosystem or an artificial ecosystem? Is it a man-made ecosystem or an artificial ecosystem? The second question is it a man-made ecosystem or artificial ecosystem? Understood. Artificial. It is artificial ecosystem. It is not man-made. Very good. The first person who talked about man-made is, let's talk about, first is Kavya, Maya and Gopika. Super. So these three people has answered. You need to check your live or not. Then only you will be going to that top 3 rankers. Understood. So that is artificial. My third question from you is, that ecosystem is interactive with the other system ecosystem, yes or no? The correct answer, yes or no. That ecosystem is interactive with the other ecosystem. Maya has given answer, Kavya has given answer, and Sharmila has given answer. The correct answer is yes, it is interactive. It is interactive. You need to understand this one. When your answer will be correct and it is in the top 3 position, then only I'll read. So the correct answer is given by, here Vishwa has given the answer. It is correct. Correct. It is interactive. A, the plant which is grown can be eaten by cat, what do you call, cows, fellows. Interactive, no? The plants are not for living for full time. Understood? So it is coming under the radar of homeostasis. Homeostasis. Understood? So here that part, the moment it is exactly going to be coming under the radar, means it is influenced by the outer factor. Sun can grow it. Water can give life. Understood or not? Sun can grow it, water can give life. So that means other factors are also responsible for its growth. So interaction is there. What is there? Interaction. Now next question. Get ready for everyone. Get ready, please. So crop growing, that is a type of example of what? Crop growing. They'll ask like this type of question. Don't think they will ask only simple question. They will ask many complicated question. This is exactly the place where case study is taking part. I hope you might have understood. Now come on, go for it, children. Get ready. The next one, the artificial ecosystem are made by human being. Who has made artificial ecosystem? Human being. The common example of artificial ecosystem is crop field, garden, park, aquarium. An ecosystem may be small as a drop of pond water, and such small ecosystem is called as micro ecosystem. And this answer was only given by Sanjay. I have asked this question, which is the smallest ecosystem. Everybody spoke this, that. But what was the correct answer is micro ecosystem. The perfect word fitting here is micro ecosystem. Yes, the person who has given the answer correct is Sanjay. He has given the correct answer is micro ecosystem. What is the correct answer here? Micro ecosystem. Micro ecosystem. I hope everybody heard this. What is the smallest ecosystem called as? The smallest ecosystem is called as micro ecosystem. Understood? We'll go to the next one. So the smallest ecosystem is micro ecosystem. Human activity may modify or convert natural ecosystem into man-made ecosystem. So only I said you कि if, yes, absolutely correct Himanshu. So if you will throw seeds on land, it is not done by nature. It's not done by nature because the seeds are thrown by you. It will be considered as artificial ecosystem. Very well designed answer, Vishwa. That's very cool answer because here we need to answer it pakka. Understood? I'm watching everybody. Your answer should not go here and there. Now, science question answering pattern also I'm going to teach you. Okay, one question. How to answer, how to write the best answer also I will teach you. So, are you ready? So the first thing is now cutting trees or forest and conversion of land into for tree plantation or agriculture, etc. are some of the example of conversion of natural ecosystem into man-made. So don't think that if you are growing, you are doing agriculture, it is natural. Agriculture is not natural because the growth of the plant should be decided by the nature. It should not be decided by you. The moment you are gardening, it is not nature. You are saying, I am in nature. I am in self-made nature. Understood? I am in which nature? Self-made nature. The nature which I have made is the self-made nature. Ashmita, your answers I am not receiving. This is the most important thing. People, those who have. So yes, birds is accidentally, see, birds now. See, human, why we are calling. See, then bird answer will also come like that. Now, the birds are exactly helping in germination. That is also artificial. No, other than human, any other creature is helping for making ecosystem is natural only. But what is the problem? We human have interacted too much with the ecosystem. We have interacted too much with the environment. So wherever our hands are involved, we are calling it as very good. We are calling it as artificial ecosystem. So where and all we are converting. So like when we are cutting a big amount of forest and growing another amount of forest. Are you understanding? So we cut forest, we are growing forest. That means what? It is man-made or artificial? Yes, man-made. Sorry, I have started. Man-made or natural? Man-made, because we cut for our convenience, we are growing for our convenience. Super, thank you for liking the class. But one thing, the next question, get ready for it. Are you all children ready for it? Cutting tree. So now we are going to understand the entire content in very short. Understood? So here the most important thing we are going to check, ecosystem can be considered as natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. What and all types of ecosystem are there? Natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem is aquarium and cropland. Understood? This is natural, na? Aquarium and cropland is natural? No. Artificial. Natural ecosystem will be, yes, now I saw us with a name. Aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic means water body, terrestrial means land. Now fresh water and marine water. Fresh water and marine water. So fresh water is exactly lentic and floating. Marine water is salty. Understood? Next one, grassland, desert, forest. These are exactly considered as terrestrial. Terrestrial means what? Come on, say. Terrestrial means what? Very good. Super. So I hope all the people are ready to answer the question. Don't touch your book, and the session starts now. Who is called as the father of ecosystem? This father of ecosystem is who coined the word ecosystem? I didn't see the answer. Ramdev Mishra. Hire. The correct answer is given by three people: Sanjay, Mahalakshmi, and Maya. Top three people answer name I took. They are what? Tansley. Tansley is the correct word. Lantic means standing. First two people have given answer is standing. Your presence of mind should be very, very fast. Okay, Ramdev Mishra is not the correct answer. The first answer is received by Sharmila, Tarun, and Sanjay. These three people have given the answer. Sharmila, Tarun, and Sanjay has given the answer. You need to be very, 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 very fast. Understood? My third question is, what is homeostasis? Homeostasis. Absolute. Absolute. Now the online children are going to self-control. Self-control. Okay. Self-control, we can say self-control. Sanjay, Sharmila, and the third one is Kavya. Self-maintenance. Absolutely. So self-controlled, self-maintained, self-manageable. They are always considered as what, beta? Homeostasis. Homeostasis. How was the session today? 3, 4 questions. How many questions over? 4 questions over. The last question. Everybody, please answer this question. What is called as interdependent in terms of ecosystem? One intelligent word I am looking forward for. Yes, absolutely correct, Himanshu. But here the speed is very much manageable. You need to say in the speed. I got the first answer. I got the first answer. And the first answer was given by Mahalakshmi. Overlapping is there, but one word we are coining it as. And the correct word is after that it's Krish. Sanjay, the producer, depends on consumer. That's the answer, and that is considered as what? Food chain. Interdependent. Interdependence is coming where? Food chain. And they are maintaining ecological balance. The food chain maintains what? Ecological. नहीं वो करेक्ट है बट तुमको बहुत शॉर्ट में और फास्ट बोलना पड़ेगा सो दैट इज व्हाट बेटा इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट इकोसिस्टम व्हाट इट इज कंसीडर्ड एज इकोसिस्टम बट इकोसिस्टम which part food chain top 3 fight for the top 3 locations people don't remember the one who has given the answer last they'll always remember the one who has been answering the question first yes and lentic and lotic understood. Now, I think in dream also you will not forget what is lentic and lotic. Correct now? So homeostasis also you will not forget. After homeostasis, I have described one word. What was that? Cybernetics. Very good. Cybernetics. Science of? Very good. The science of self-control is called as cybernetics. The science of self-control is called as cyber ethics. No, cybernetics. It is called as cybernetics. It is considered as what? Cybernetics. Okay. So we are going to go to the next section. How is the session going on? Is the session interesting? You people are learning nicely. Come on, say quickly. Yes. Science of self-control. Never I have seen you people this much awake. Okay. So when this 20 questions will reach to you and how much fast you are finishing and submitting us, that also we will see. Yes. The science of self-control. The science of what? Self-control. Now, component of ecosystem. There are two different type of component of ecosystem. See, we have understood many types of ecosystem was different. Component of ecosystem is different. See, if they will say types of ecosystem, don't write abiotic and biotic, because these are called as component. The word variation is there. The word variation is there. You need to be very, very specific. Are you understanding? You need to be very, 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 very specific and too much fast in listening the part. What is the types of ecosystem? What are they? Natural and artificial. But component of ecosystem. Component of ecosystem is abiotic and biotic. Abiotic means water. Very good. Abiotic means, come on children, you can do it. Abiotic means like physical factors. Physical factors like water. Come on, say water, mineral, water, soil, absolute, air. They are called considered as what? Abiotic. What is biotic? Living organisms are considered as biotic. Living organisms are considered as biotic. Biotic here are all the species present on earth. Species means what? Plant species also, microbial species also, decomposers also, big giant animals also, cutie animals also. So all the organisms will be exactly biotic, absolute. Now next one, online children, they have given the answer as fast as possible. Their typing speed is super here. So now look here, biotic component and abiotic component. It means the non-living part of the world, and that is air, water and soil and minerals. Air, water, soil and minerals are the non-living. Air, water, soil and minerals. They are considered as non-living part of environment. The climatic or physical factors such as sunlight, temperature, rainfall, humidity, pressure, and wind are a part of abiotic environment. These are the part of what type of environment? Abiotic environment. These are what? Part of abiotic environment. Now next part. Now inorganic materials. Yes, we need to understand this. Inorganic material, they are involved in material cycles like carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, what you call hydrogen peroxide. They are exactly considered as what? Inorganic material. What they are considered as? Inorganic material. So these inorganic material also plays a very vital role in deciding the type of life of living creature. The type of life of whom? Living creature. So now children, my first question goes to all of you. Are you all ready? Are you children ready? Now answering the question. The question is, get ready for it. Hey, today Vasant and that one more putty monkey is not there. Veda. Always they are telling, I am in the class, I am in the class. Where they are they in the class? I hope everybody understood that one now. Now we will be talking about a very important question. Which gas in the nature has served very important role in growth and maintenance of plants?
Oxygen, carbon dioxide,
Growth. And the correct answer was given by Jasmita, Sarmila, and Kavya. Stop. The correct answer is, come on, say, nitrogen. Nitrogen protein for growth and maintenance. You need to remember one thing. The growth and maintenance is a very steady and the most important part of every living creature. So for growth and maintenance, absolutely correct answer. For growth and maintenance, which one is the most important one? Nitrogen. Which one is the most important one is nitrogen. And that's very, 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 very important. So you people have seriously made it true. So organic compound like present in dead organic matters and include carbohydrates. So definitely, my first question is, decomposers are
living organisms,
decomposers are
living organisms,
that is methane. No, not that to you people. I'm saying decomposers are. Come on. Who are decomposers?
Cleaners.
Yes, that is the dramatic answer. Decomposers are, they are writing biotic
Recyclers.
consumers. The decomposers do not come in consumer level.
Recyclers. Manufacturing industry. Like converting waste from waste into complex.
Decomposers are turning inorganic substance into simple organic substances. So they are exactly called as cleaner of environment. So decomposers are, yes, decomposers are those who cleans the, we are also calling that, what you call, one specific word is missing. So they are exactly, they are not, they are converting inorganic substances into organic, complex inorganic substances into organic substances. Dead decaying organism has to be converted into nutrient. Understood? So decomposers play a vital role in converting them into nutrient. Yes. So catabolism, it undergoes catabolism. Mahalakshmi, you are giving too much away answer. So here you need to understand that the decomposers are that category of living creatures. Those are exactly doing the work of cleaning the ecosystem. So ecosystem has to be cleaned. The dead decaying living creature has to be removed from the ecosystem so that the living creature, new living creature can come. You imagine only one thing. If our ancestors might be present, if their dead bodies might be present on earth, will this place might be a clean place for survival? No. You think these many years our earth is old, these many living creatures can be present on earth as dead decaying matter and their body might be stinging. Will we be able to survive at that case? The answer is no. The survival is not at all possible. And because of that, decomposers plays a very vital role in serving a very specific purpose. And what is that special purpose?
Cleaning.
Understood. It is exactly doing a very important work, and that is cleaning the or leaving the space vacant for other living creatures to.
Competive.
What is the meaning of nutrient pool? Nutrient pool. Yes, fungi is decomposer. Absolutely correct, Sanjay. I was thinking that mental is not having brain, but this mental is genius only.
Nutrient. Ma'am.
I am saying nutrient pool. Nutrient pool. Nutrient pool.
Full of
A pool of pool. I asked nutrient pool. Pool. Vishwa. Nutrient pool. And that is a very, what you call a simple answer. She's telling, ma'am, don't know. Nutrient pool. See, every time in the ecosystem, yes. So every time in this ecosystem, the plant need nutrition. Understood? The plant major need for living and growing because all the living creatures are directly dependent on plant. So plant is the grassroots level from where every living creatures are balanced with. Understood? So in a ecosystem where plant will not be present, 100% everything will be disrupted. You need to understand that. So if plant are not there, means it will impact everything. Understood or not? So the nutrient pool is for plant. Understood? So these plant nutrient pool can be water, air, sunlight, understood or not? Minerals present in the soil. Got it? Water, air, sunlight, and the nutrient that is present in the soil. Understood? The soil, these are the basic need of every plant for survival. These are the basic need of every plant for survival. I hope everybody understood this one. Everybody got this point or not? So they are serving as a nutrient pool for whom? Plant. We cannot go and stand in front of sun and say, I am doing photosynthesis. Possible? No, not possible. We cannot say go and stand, I am doing photosynthesis today. Means what? Out of that your mother will come
Father will come, they'll pick like you and directly take to day hospital. Oh, something problem happened. It's not like now. One day you will go, you will put your full leg inside soil and do like this. I'm doing photosynthesis. Very soon in my hand, one potato will come. Correct? Nothing will come. Potato will come on your head only by the parents and teacher. So 100%. So definitely it is not at all possible. Correct? Is it possible? Not at all possible. So if we cannot do photosynthesis. So definitely our nutrient pool is dependent on the other organisms. Understood or not? And we are not in the lower level of what you call pyramid. Got it? So this lower level of pyramid is exactly consisting of whom? It will be consisting of plants. Understood? So plant need nutrient pool, and for that it has to depend upon inorganic sources. What are the inorganic sources, beta? The inorganic sources are water, air, sunlight, and soil. In soil, what they are taking? Minerals. Understood? So these minerals, this water, air, sunlight, is acting as a feed. It acting as a feed. I hope water, air, and sunlight. Absolutely correct. I hope. How was the session today? Come on, say, children. How was the session? Was it interesting? Today, first time I am seeing none of you were sleeping. Even online students also, they were not sleeping. Only one Porani was not answering. You say Porani, ma'am is exactly going to pick you and she will drop you in. And one monkey came late. Oh, bad. Because you came late. That you should be bad. Because you came late today. I hope you understood now abiotic and biotic component. We understood ecosystem will be divided into, these are called as component. Types are two types. What are the two types? Artificial and natural. Second one is abiotic and biotic. Biotic factors are producer, consumer, and decomposers. You should come fast, Himanshu. So now look here. And consumers will be primary, secondary, and tertiary. So consumer also three levels are there. What are the three levels of consumer? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Ecosystem, how many levels are there? What are they? Biotic and abiotic. Producer, consumer, and decomposer. Producer only one. Consumer can be three. Consumer can be three. What are they? Primary, secondary, and tertiary. A monkey. We people are living in which category? Primary, secondary, or tertiary consumers? Schools are there, beta. We have to go to school. I also have to go to school. Okay? We are omnivores. Now, omnivores comes in the last category, where we are taking plant and animal everything. Yeah, tertiary. Yes, absolute. The answer was first given by Kavya, Sanjay, and Maya. Yes, seriously. Today I also enjoyed the session. Evening session we will see. Okay, so today evening session maths is there. So maths for that circle is there. For circle, some of the most important questions we are going to do, and that is from Trikalkundram. I am going to take session. So definitely you people are going to present online. Let's see. Hi, Spy. So I hope you people are going to enjoy. Will have fun. Oh, study. Hi, Soumya Dev. कहाँ से हो बेटा? That's very good. So read again and we will be ready. Okay. Bye for now, everyone. Bless you all. Have a nice day.